In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Jordan with Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look at the country shown at the top of the app or website. Tap or click that country selection area and then choose Jordan. This step is important because it sets Jordan as the destination country, which makes sure the transfer options, delivery methods, and required details match where your money is going. After selecting Jordan, go ahead and click Send Money. This will open the transfer setup screen where you can begin entering the details for your transaction. At this stage, Remitly will guide you through the information needed to complete the transfer, so just follow each screen carefully. Next, you'll choose the recipient. If the person you're sending money to is already saved in your contacts within Remitly, simply select their contact from the list. This can save time and reduce the need to enter their information again. If the recipient is not already saved, click New Contact and then select their country. Be sure the country matches the person receiving the money so the transfer can be processed correctly. Once the recipient is selected or added, enter the amount you want to send. Take a moment here to review both the send amount and the amount the recipient is expected to receive, since exchange rates and fees may affect the final total. It's always a good idea to double-check the currency and total cost before moving on. After that, select the delivery method. The available delivery options may vary depending on the destination and the type of transfer you're making, so choose the one that best fits the recipient's needs. Then, select your payment method. This is how you'll fund the transfer, so choose the option you prefer and make sure the payment information is ready. When everything looks correct, click Continue. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's account details, if required for the delivery method you chose. Enter those details carefully and review them before moving forward, since accuracy is very important for international transfers. From there, simply follow the prompts on your screen to complete the transaction. Remitly will walk you through the final confirmation steps, and once submitted, you should receive a summary of your transfer. Before sending, it's always smart to do one last check of the recipient information, amount, and payment method to help avoid delays or errors.